Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from Coal India Limited. When we will go to the official website of Coal India, here in the career section we can see the recruitment of management trainees through computer based test in E2 grade. Here link for application form, detailed advertisement is available. When we will click here we can see the detailed advertisement. So let's check it out. They are going to take recruitment for the management trainees in the E2 grade, okay, through online application mode, and the selection based on the CBT computer based test. So opening date for the online registration already started from the 15th January. Last date will be 14th February. But one very important thing, this is for only and only chemical engineering students. I will show you here. Okay, so the date of CBT will be intimated through the admit card for the CBT. Yes, here you can see first is the community development. In this case, minimum 2-year postgraduate degree or postgraduate diploma in community development you should have. Okay, second is environment, first class degree in the environment is required here. Then for French CA students eligible, legal also law degree is required, marketing sales also MBA degree required, materials management engineer degree here. In material management engineering degree in electrical or mechanical engineering with 2 years MBA or PG diploma in management with minimum 60% marks. Then here personal or HR to graduate with at least 2 years full-time postgraduate degree, PG diploma, okay, in management with specialization in HR. So if you are having any BE Tech plus MBA, then you are eligible here. And the next is a coal preparation. So here BE Tech, BSc engineering in chemical, mineral engineering, mineral and metallurgical engineering with minimum 60% marks are eligible. Okay, you can see this one. So BE Tech in electrical with MBA, okay, or PG diploma in management with minimum 60% marks. They are having their own written test. It's mentioned here in the CBT. You can go through the details here. Some general conditions mentioned here. Number of vacancies also they mention here. If I'm talking about for this one, coal preparation, so number of vacancies are 67 here. Okay, so total number of vacancies are 434. But again, selection procedure is purely based on the written test. They are having computer based test. Okay, paper 1, paper 2 is there, MCQ. They mention here general UR EWS category student should have minimum 40% marks, and then the remaining have this one. So MCQ in each paper, each question will carry 1 mark and there is no negative marking for the wrong answer. Okay, and then here we can see no objection certificate, NOC should be there. Application fees, yes, application fees is FT. What is non-refundable fees of rupees 1000 plus applicable GST 180 totaling 1180 rupees is there. Okay, and then upper age limit is 30 years. If you are eligible, you can apply. But again, I'm repeating one very important thing is the remuneration. They mention here remuneration also, and remuneration is yeah, here. So 50,000 to 1,60,000 is there. Pay scale for the management trainees, and then 60,000 to 1,80,000 is there. All right. If you think you are eligible here, you can apply. You can go through this one. But again, this is for if you are looking for BE Tech opportunity with in the Coal India. So yes, they already released their detailed advertisement through GET 2025. But for the chemical students, you are applying, means if you are a chemical BE Tech student, then you are eligible here for applying for this CBT test also. All right. Stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel for more such type of updates.